Please open your class book, page 26. We're going to learn about grammar. First, listen and read. And you have to answer the question, where is the reporter? Okay, ready? Listening 23.
Listening 23. Listen and read. Where is the reporter?
The festival has been on for 5 days now, and there are still thousands of people in the streets of London. I've been here since 9 o'clock this morning, and it's been great. The procession has already finished. You can probably see the floats in the distance. There are food stalls everywhere, and I've just eaten some delicious pancakes with chocolate sauce. I haven't seen any fireworks yet. They're going to be on later tonight.
Oke, jadi dia sedang ada di mana sih? Oh, look at the picture. Dia sedang ada di sebuah festival ya, di sebuah perayaan. So, she's the reporter here in the street of London. It said on a festival. Okay, now we're going to learn present perfect with since and for. Nah, artinya present perfect itu berarti menceritakan sesuatu yang sudah terjadi, ya, sudah selesai dilakukan. We use the present perfect and since to talk about past action after a certain time or date. Example, 2 p.m., last Saturday, and May. Ini keterangan waktunya ya. Nah, contohnya, I've been here since 9 o'clock this morning. Saya di sini sejak tadi jam 9 pagi. And we use the present perfect and for to talk about past action in a period of time. Contohnya, the festival has been on for 5 days. Jadi kita harus bisa membedakan sedikit antara since and for. And we have here already, just, yet, and before ya. Already berarti sudah, just itu berarti baru saja selesai, yet itu belum, dan before sebelumnya. Okay, now let's try. Number 1, I haven't been to a festival like this before. Kan saya belum pernah ke sini sebelumnya. Number 2, he hasn't tidied his room. Which one? So he cannot go out. Yes, yet kan belum. Number 3, the girls haven't worn traditional clothes. Just makan sudah, tapi kan di sini bilang haven't worn, belum pernah pakai sebelumnya. Before. Number 4, I don't want a sandwich, thank you. Aku sudah makan. I've just had lunch. Kalau yet kan tadi untuk yang belum. Jadi jawaban yang tepat adalah just. Number 5. Have you tried any of the food yet? Number 6. We've already or we've yet seen the firework. They were great. Berarti sudah. Kalau sudah berarti menggunakan already. Now, write sentence about Emma. We have to take a look of the picture, yeah? Here. Now, live in France 4 months. She has lived, ini maksudnya ya, in France for 4 months. Dia telah tinggal di Paris selama 4 bulan. Okay, now, let's talk about Emma. So we will write she. Okay. She has had. Kenapa had? Have pakai bentuk ketiga. Jadi she has had her necklace. Sejak Juni berarti. So you can use since June. Okay, I'll put it over here. Oops. She she's atau she has ya. She's had her necklace since June. Okay, number 3. Still Emma. She's known jadi known, bentuk ketiga. She's known her friend sejak 2006. Since 2006. Bukan untuk 2006 kan? Oh, I forgot the dot here. Next, number 4. She's again. She's, be, berarti berubah jadi been bentuk ketiganya. She's been in the cafe 10 o'clock. Sejak jam 10 atau untuk jam 10 sejak. So, since 10 o'clock. Good. Next one. Masih tentang Emma. She's again. She has ya, she's itu ya. She's speak. Ini verbnya speak. Berarti spoken, itu bentuk ketiganya. She's spoken French. She was 10. Sejak dia berumur 10 atau untuk dia umur 10. Sejak. So, since she was 10. Wah, sejak umur 10 tahun dia sudah bisa berbicara bahasa Prancis. And the last one. She's play berubah menjadi played. She's played the guitar for 2 years. Dia sudah bermain gitar selama 2 tahun. So remember, if you're here, if you use the present perfect, first you have to use subject, have or has. Yeah, so subject I'm going to give you here if it's a present perfect. So you will have subject plus have or has. Tadi Emma selalu menggunakan has karena kalau subjeknya she itu menggunakan has ya. And then you call it PP. Or verb 3, sometimes you call it that. Or we call it past participle. Bentuk kata kerja yang ketiga. So this is the formula that you have to remember. Now we're at lesson 4, still about grammar. But before that, let's listen about Professor and Chips. Listen, and where do Chips and Professor go? Where do they go? Yeah, listening 24.
Listening 24. Listen and read. Where do Chip and Professor go?
Look at this festival. Everyone has to wear a costume. This year, the theme is the future.
I went to that festival last year. It was fun. I've made my costume.
I don't need a costume.
Wow! Your costume is great!
Thanks. Professor made it.
Okay, so where do Chip and Professor go? Yes, they went to a festival, to a costume festival. Now, we're going to learn about another grammar, past simple and present perfect. Present perfect we learned before, yeah? Okay, for past simple, we use past simple to talk about action that started and finished in the past. So, we talk about something that start and already finished in the past. We often say when the action happened. For example, I went to the festival last year. Ada keterangan waktunya di sini. Untuk membuat bentuk past simple, misalkan buatkan rumusnya ya. what you need is subject plus past simple, or we call it sometimes verb to, adalah bentuk kedua, bentuk perubahan kedua dari kata kerjanya. Okay, so I'll put it here. How about present perfect? We use the present perfect to talk about action in the past that are still important now. Terjadinya sih udah lampau ya, tapi sampai sekarang masih terasa penting. And we often don't say when the action happen. Kalau tadi ada keterangan waktunya, ini tidak ada. Contohnya, I've made my costume. Tidak ada keterangan waktunya, tapi berarti sangat berkesan. Nah, rumusnya apa? The formula is subject. Sebelumnya kita sudah belajar ya. Have or has, tergantung subjeknya bagaimana, apakah dia singular or plural. And then PP or past participle, or we call it verb 3, or bentuk ketiga dari kata kerja dalam bahasa Inggris. Let's try. I went to the festival yesterday. It was great. Why we use went? Because we have yesterday here. Kalau ada keterangan waktunya, kita akan menggunakannya past simple. Now, number 2. I see the pyramid. They were amazing. Ada kata-kata amazing. Berarti itu teringat. Berarti kita akan pakainya present perfect. I, bentukannya menjadi tambah have. See menjadi seen. So, I have seen the pyramid. They were amazing. Jadi, dalam mengerjakan soal bahasa Inggris, kalian harus menemukan dulu kata kuncinya. Number 3. We visit friends last summer. Last summer. Yes, yes, yes. We use past simple. Visit berubah menjadi visited friends last summer. Number 4. They walk for 3 hours at the weekend. Okay, at the weekend. Sudah ada keterangannya, berarti they walk. They walk. Number 5. I have my lunch at 1 o'clock. Ada keterangan waktunya. So, I had my lunch at 1 o'clock. Sudah. Ya. Number 6. I eat Chinese food. Tidak ada keterangan waktunya. Berarti kita gunakan present perfect. I menjadi have. Eat menjadi eaten. I have eaten Chinese food. Okay. This part is your speaking task, but I will tell you later on. Bye-bye.